Hello gorgeous, how are you doing today? So today we are going to be making a flower pot. You're going to need cement and a basin or any bucket that you will use to mix the cement from. You will need water as well. Put on your gloves if you're afraid or if your hands are sensitive to cement, and then go ahead and mix it until you get the consistency that you really want. Not so thick but not so watery. So get a bucket of your favorite design because the pot will turn out just exactly like a bucket. Pour in a good amount of oil. You can use cooking oil or a different kind of oil, but pour in a good amount because that will help a lot. I repeat, a lot when you're getting the pot out. And make sure that it's circulated in all the areas of the bucket. Then go ahead and pour in the mixed cement. You can always add more if you feel like the cement is not enough, but don't make it so full because remember you have to leave space of putting another small bucket inside. So get another small plastic bucket. I repeat, it has to be plastic because I did use a metallic one and it was a disaster to pull it out. So please get a plastic bucket. Put it in a plastic bag and smear it with a good amount of oil. Trust me, that oil will help you a lot when it's time for you to pull the bucket out. So when you're putting the bucket inside, just make sure you don't push it so much to the bottom, because if you do, then your pot will not have a base, or it will have a very tiny base and it won't turn out to be good. The only reason as to why we're adding bricks or stones is because we don't want the bucket to keep moving around. We want it to stay in the middle. Here I'm just dropping some shells to make the design that I want, so you can go ahead and add whatever you have planned on top of it. So after that, leave it alone to dry. It might take a day or two. Now it's time for us to remove the bucket inside. Be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to break the outer pot, but at the same time you need to put a little bit of pressure or force so that you can get that bucket out of it. Now this is the part where you can sand it. I forgot to include that part, but you can choose to sand it and add any color of your choice, or you can as well choose to leave it like that. I'm going to be spraying it black, but leave some parts unsprayed, as you're going to be saying. Well, that will be it for the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to let me know down in the comment section how you think this turned out. Until next time guys, bye, adios.